In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to create rules in Asana, making your project management a whole lot smoother. If you're managing tasks and projects and want to automate some of the repetitive work, this guide is perfect for you. We're diving into AI assistance within Asana, and I promise, by the end of this video, you'll find yourself saving time and focusing more on what truly needs your attention. To get started, you'll want to open up your specific Asana project. Once you're there, swiftly head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're looking for the Customize button, and with a click, it will open up a plethora of options for your project. Among these options, you'll find an option for Rules. Click on Rules, and you'll be introduced to a world where you can set up automation within your projects. Once you're inside the Rules section, look for the Add button. Clicking this is your gateway to creating a new rule. As you explore further, you'll see an option called Create with AI Studio. Selecting this opens up a fantastic feature that utilizes artificial intelligence to help you create rules. On the bottom left of your screen, you'll see a Create button. Clicking this will bring up an AI prompt, allowing you to use the power of AI to draft the rules specific to your project needs. Here's a good tip. When setting up your rules, start by clearly typing out the trigger. This is the event or condition that will prompt the AI to initiate an action. With that in mind, move on to describe the action that you'd like to have triggered, whether it's assigning tasks, setting due dates, or moving a task to a different section. Just specify your needs concisely. Once you've detailed your trigger and the associated action, it's time to click Create. This is where the magic happens, as AI works quickly to create the rules based on your input. However, it's crucial not to rush off just yet. Take a moment to double-check what the AI has generated. Although AI is quite powerful, it's not infallible. It might occasionally make mistakes, especially if the prompts you've provided are complex or slightly ambiguous. Ensuring accuracy here will save you time and headaches later on. And just like that, you're all set. You've harnessed the power of AI to effortlessly create rules in Asana, adding efficiency to your workflow. Remember, automation is all about making your life easier and your projects run smoother, and now you have one more tool to do just that. Thanks for tuning in, and happy project managing.